This is crazy. Okay, what you're listening to is a remix of all of the hit songs from 2015. Our producer Lexi's so trendy these days. This is kind of a cool shot as we listen to that music of the marina, Lake Coeur d'Alene this morning. A few pockets where the blue sky is out showing, but otherwise some blue sky here as we look ahead. And boy, I think that we'll see a little bit of a clearing, but generally speaking, most of us under mostly cloudy to cloudy skies here this morning. For some, it's been very isolated, but pockets of freezing rain and freezing drizzle. And because of this, a freezing rain advisory has been issued. It's in place until about 11 a.m. this morning. We saw this kind of mid-morning here. It was not in place when we started the show at 5 a.m. and has since been put into place. Because of this, the Waterville School District was on a 2-hour delay. Now school is closed. If you are in the Waterville School District, no school for you. They say because of weather conditions, freezing rain, and some ice out there, making for some treacherous roads. So if you're getting up this morning, taking the kiddos to school, you might want to hold off if you're out around the Waterville School District area. Now, keep in mind, I think today those pockets of freezing drizzle will be limited, mainly towards the east slopes of the Cascades. So the Waterville area, Mansfield, Badger Mountain Road, we've been watching that. For us here in Spokane, we could see some small snow chances later through the day. I'm looking at more so for the evening hours and overnight into early Tuesday morning. Come Wednesday, rain or snow, but I say rain or snow because it's going to depend on your location. Probably a rain event for us here in the valleys. Snow, though, is possible for the higher elevations in the mountains. Speaking of the mountains, how pretty is this shot? The runs nicely groomed out at Silver Mountain. This house camera at about 5,700 feet. Our snowfall for the season so far is at 27.3. And we're going to keep adding to that. For the month so far, 1.7 inches. Yesterday, just a trace, although we do have some continued small rain chances here and snow chances as the next couple of days go on. I'm watching this weather system. This weak disturbance is going to continue to track through our area, moving northeast. And what's going to happen is it'll arrive first into the afternoon here around the Cascades, the Columbia Basin, the Okanagan Valley. And then by the evening time, that'll progressively move in towards eastern Washington and North Idaho. And here's what I'm thinking. This will be the first system, but this next one, this stronger Pacific storm system, is just offshore from there. This is what could be providing us with much better rain chances come Wednesday and some mountain snow. So if you don't see much from this system, just wait a day or so. I think by midweek we'll start to see a little bit more activity. Let's use Future Tracker now. Look ahead. I've got this at about 3 p.m. You can see snow increasing a bit towards the North Cascades early afternoon. Progressively starts to move over. Again, I think it's going to be after about 4 or 5 o'clock that we'll start to see that, so that drive into the evening. Briefly move through Spokane. We could see about 0.2 of an inch, and then higher amounts closer to an inch for the North Idaho area. Again, depends on your location. Elevation will be key, but temperatures will be cold enough that I think that'll be falling as snow if it does fall. So I'll keep it at about a 30% chance for us. Daytime highs today at about 32 degrees. That's sunset at 4:20. Beyond just today, up to 37 by Wednesday. If that temperature falls, guys, I'm thinking we have a better chance of some decent snow. But right now at 37, I'm going to keep it at rain likely for now. Of course, this time of year, we'd like to talk about our Creme in the Classroom program. If you haven't signed up for a visit, this is the opportunity. We go in, we use props, hands-on activities, experiments. I show how the weather works, what the studio looks like. Some props make it a little bit more interesting, I think. But if you'd like to sign up for a visit, kboer@creme.com. That's my email. You can also reach out on Facebook or Twitter. I do have 3 visits for later this week, I believe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and next week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday as well. So I've got the next 2 weeks kind of packed up here, but we got stuff at you after that.
Lots to do at those events.
And it's a lot of fun.
All right. Thanks, Katie.